Kukubaganya ebirowoozo kwabadde wakati wa President Joe Biden ne gwavuganya Donald Trump mu kibuga Atlanta eky'essaza lya Georgia. Kwalesa abawagizi ba buli ludda nga baweddemu amaanyi kubanga Biden yalabisengako ye. Kyokka nga Trump ensonga azikuba bulati naye nga bingi ku byayogera bya bulimba.
Everybody was amazed by it. Other countries were copying us. We got hit with COVID. And when we did, we spent the money necessary so we wouldn't end up in a Great Depression.
What Mr. Trump left me. We had an economy that was in free fall. The pandemic was so badly handled. There were no jobs.
Biden ali ku kadi ya DP era be bali mu buyinza ate Donald Trump ali ku ya Republican ng'okulonda kwa kubeerawo mu mwezi gwa Novemba nga gy'emyezi ena gyokka egibulayo wadde nga bangi baasabye ebibiina ebyo birondeyo abantu abalala ababeera babikwatira bendera ekirabika nga tekikyasoboka. Abawagizi ba Biden banyogeza okusinziira ku mawulire ga Sky News ne basaba bafune gwe basimbawo omulala bwe yabuuze mu byabadde ayogera ng'alinga eyeerabidde n'ekiwa Trump amaanyi okwongera okuddingana byazalimba ebbanga lyonna.
With the COVID, with dealing with everything we have to do with, look, if we finally beat Medicare.
Thank you, President Biden. President Trump?
Well, he's right. He did beat Medicare. He beat it to death, and he's destroying Medicare because all of these people are coming in. They're putting them on Medicare. They're putting them on Social Security.
I would have liked Biden to be more aggressive in pointing out the mistakes that Trump made while he was president.
I actually believe that Biden could have did a much better job because of Trump's history, and he was kind of soft on Trump.
Biden could have been more articulate.
Biden's voice was a little bit raspy, but he spoke the truth.
My concern and fear is having this man, Biden, president for 5 more months after watching even the first 3 seconds. It was scary.
I mean, he's strong. He remembers. He knows what he's doing. We need a commander-in-chief.
Yabadde ayogera ku by'abantu abaagala okubeera mu Amerika eby'okuggyamu embuto eri abazifuna nga tebeeyagalidde n'ebikulu ebirala.
The problem they have is they're radical because they will take the life of a child in the 8th month, the 9th month, and even after birth.
There's a lot of young women are being raped by their in-laws, by their spouses, and they can do nothing about it.
Trump ku byabaagala okusigala mu Amerika nga si Amerika yagambye nti be bantu aboonoonye ensi eyo kubanga bakozi ba bikolobero ekyalabise nga si kituufu eri abalabi.
And I'd love to ask him, and will, why he allowed millions of people to come in here from prisons, jails, and mental institutions to come into our country and destroy our country.